The Helpless Lion and the Mouse. A lion was once resting in the forest when a mouse began running all over his body for mere fun. This upset the lion's rest, and he awakened very irate. He was going to eat the mouse when the mouse frantically mentioned the lion to liberate him. And quoth, "I guarantee you, I will be of extraordinary assistance to you sometime on the off chance that you spare me." And quoth, the lion smiled at the mouse's self-confidence and let him go. At some point, a couple of hunters came into the jungle and took the lion with them. They tied him facing a tree. The lion was attempting to get out of the captivity. Before long, the mouse strolled past and saw the lion in a tough situation. Rapidly, he ran and chewed on the ropes to liberate the lion. The two of them dashed off into the wilderness. Lesson of the story: a little act of generosity can come back to you in future. If you like the story, please subscribe, like and share.